Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the Festool 57694 Domino Beech Range Set. This innovative set features specially shaped dowels with expanding glue pockets and longitudinal grooves, ensuring absolutely twist-proof connections and maximum stability. Experience faster processing with extreme ease. Align your first dowel hole accurately using flip stops. No more fuss. Your workpieces are secured exactly flush with the edge. And with the Systainer 3 storage, all your domino dowels are organized and ready to go. The unique design allows for perfect alignment, distributing glue evenly for optimal joining. Get started immediately, as the required routers are included in the set. With the Festool Domino Beech Range Set, you can tackle any project with confidence and precision.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.